Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find your Twitter username and recover your password. If you have forgotten your login details or cannot access your account, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your Twitter dashboard, which is now called X, here it is. You may be wondering why it is called X. It is simply the new logo and name for Twitter. To find your username and password, all we need to do is click on More here and then go to Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, we will see the option to change your password. If we want to change the password and view account information, make sure you have your current password ready so we can confirm it here. Once we type and confirm the password, we will see the account information. We can see the username, the name, and other basic info in these sections. We can also use account recovery options like an email address, a phone number, or the Forgot Password feature to regain access. We will walk through the official method so we can safely get back into the account. Just make sure you have the email address and phone number linked to your Twitter account. That's it. We now know how to find a Twitter username and recover a password.